I want to break down a rather large time suck we see in agencies. I'm not saying that this is something that you can eradicate 100%. What I am saying is that we need to embrace this idea and start walking it back down. We have a window of opportunity with the coronavirus to do things a little differently that not only in the long run help a client, help the agency, and help you individually. When people call in to make payments or walk in to make payments, it's at minimum a 15-minute start to finish engagement. I'm talking about from the time they're greeted to the time that it's documented and the person's either walking out the door or hanging up the phone, or if you're doing any work after hanging the phone. It's a 15-minute interaction. 15 minutes times 12 months is 3 hours a year per customer taking a payment. And that's on the efficient side. For clients who come in, sometimes that candy bowl gets them and they're sitting there for 30 minutes. And honestly, what ends up happening is we take a customer who's high service and we ignore our low service, most profitable customers because we don't have the time to get there. Now, I understand that this issue is sensitive, mainly because a lot of people, we haven't been talking about it, and a lot of people don't have a plan. It can be very awkward and uncomfortable to talk to Sally, who comes in every month, and you enjoy the engagement with her, that we need to talk about other payment strategies. But we also need to embrace the idea that if we continuously do it, we're going to wind it down slowly, and we're going to have more time in our day. Because it's unfair to say that someone like me that's on EFT and I pay in full mostly doesn't get any attention proactively, but the person most likely with a $700 auto policy is getting 3 hours of attention a year. You have to look at the other side of who we're not paying attention to. And how do we free up time to still give Sally attention and Kelly, who pays in full with a high premium personal lines policy, attention? You have to have that answer to the second question. It's not simply just enough to say, well, Sally's a great customer and she's been here forever and she knows everybody in town. The answer is, well, how do we do X? The other thing is it's going to be winter. There's going to be cold and flu. There's potential that businesses shut down. I'm not in charge of that, but it is out there in the news saying it could happen. And we want to make sure that people have alternate payment strategies as a way to care for them. There's a coin shortage in America, which means if they're paying cash, it could be difficult to get them change. So if we look at all the ways, I was at Lowe's this weekend and they encouraged people not to pay in cash. Like there was actual registers, we don't take cash, we just take credit card here at Lowe's, which is considered definitely an essential business. We have to start modifying our strategies to serve our most desirable customers and keep the ones that have been loyal to us happy at the same time. But I don't like hearing when I talk to agencies, well, our customers don't like that. They don't have bank accounts, this, that, and the next thing. I understand. I understand that. However, it doesn't mean that we can't educate. We can't talk to them about the discount of paperless. We can't talk to them about the pay in full or EFT discount. It doesn't mean that we don't give them the honor of making that decision. They want to stop in and say hi, they're welcome to do that. But we have to start thinking differently about this because from a time management perspective, can be killing agencies. Which leads me to our time management program. We have our 6-month time management program, been in our online school. We also have it live and virtual live. And we're only going to be offering that as a standalone program from now until the end of the year. Next year, any new client to APP, we're looking for 20 agencies that can go through a 2-year ridiculously amazing agent boot camp program, where we give it our all and we install all of our top programs in it over the course of 2 years. So if you're interested, you can, and maybe the bigger commitment's not for you, but if you're interested, what we can do is we can go ahead and we can say, you can sign an agreement with us now and get started anytime in 2021. So you can just get that one-time management program, get it on the books and get going with it. If you have any questions, let us know. For our clients who've run through some of our programs, we'll definitely work with you on this. But for new clients, it's something to consider. And I really recommend that you share this video with your team about payments because a lot of times that conversation's never been had. It's just awkward to tell Sally coming in every month what to do differently. And our time management program helps you get there. We hope you have a great weekend and we look forward to seeing you on Monday.